tripping my mind to faces bathing in the streamlight. She's so soft and warm in my arm. I give it into the scene, my hands are resting on the shoulder, and we're dancing and wait for a while. Oh, we're moving, we're falling, we're stepping to the pile. But hour of the wolf in the midnight dream. There's no reason to hurry to start that brand new story. Set it alight. We're head over heels in love, head over heels. The ringing of your laughter, it sounds like a melody. Towards the beat of places we'll go for a while. The ringing of your laughter, it sounds like a melody. Towards the beat of places we'll go for a while. It's a bluff and you shout, shadows resting in the moonlight. It's so clear and bright in your eyes. It's the top of your side, my lips are resting on your shoulder. When we're moving so soft and slow, you need the ecstasy, the jealousy, a comedy of love, like Cary Grant and Kelly swoons before. Give me more tragedy and harmony and fantasy, my dear. Satellite, just setting my satellite. It's a trip in my mind, just set it alight. The sound of your tear makes me feel dear. A wound in my heart, just right from the start. My hands are waiting, you touch and fly. One last goodbye, I can feel inside. I give into the scene, we'll go for a while. We're head over heels, my hands are resting. The bluff in your shadow.